Children, we will study now union of set. Suppose we have two set A and B. A is 5, 6, 7, having the element 5, 6, 7. B is having the element 6, 8. Then A union B is equal to all the elements of A and all the elements of B. But we will not write the element that are common twice. So we will write, if here is 6 is in both A and B, so we will write 6 once only, not the two times. So the A union B will be 5, 6, 7, 8. Now intersection of set. Intersection of set is the element that are common in both A and B. So what is the common element in A and B? That is 6. So A intersection B equal to 6. Now difference of set. Difference of set will be equal to all the element that are in A but not in B. So here we have A minus B. 5 and 6 are in A but not in B. So the A minus B will be 5 and 7. Same is B minus A. All the elements that are in A, B but not in A. So here we have 6 is in A but not in B. So B equal to B minus A equal to 8. So in that manner you will find union of set, intersection of set and difference of set. Children, we will study today union of set, intersection of set and difference of set. What is the union of set? Union of set of two that will be the, if we have the set A and the set B, A having the element 5, 6, 7 and B having the 6, 8. So A union B equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. That means all the elements that are present in A and that are present in B. Remember that we will not take the element that are in A and B in both twice. We will write, if the element are in A and B twice, in both we will write in once. So A union B equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Intersection of set. Intersection of set equal to A intersection B equal to 6. What is 6? Why we will take the 6? Because 6 in both. 6 in both. That is common. So A intersection B will be the number of elements that are common in both A and B. Here we have the find out difference of set. Difference of set is what? A minus B. That is 5, 7. What is 5, 7? 5, 7 are the elements that are not in B. So what is A minus B? A minus B is a set that in that we will leave the element that are in 6. We will leave the element of A that are in B also. Here we can see 6 in B also. So we will leave the 6 and other element we will write A minus B. Similarly for the B minus A, we will leave the element of B that are in A. So that is 6. We will leave the 6 and the rest is 8. So B minus A equal to 8. So in that manner you will find union of set, intersection of set and difference of set. Children, we will study now the distribution law. What are the distribution law? The first is the union is distributive over the intersection of the two sets. Similarly, the intersection is distributive over the union of two sets. So these are the two distribution laws for the three sets. Suppose we have the three sets, then A union B intersection C will equal to A union B intersection A union C. Similarly, if we have A intersection B union C, then that will equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. So with the help of this, you will do the sum of exercise 3D. Children, I am taking some sums from the exercise 60. The question number 1 is that given A equal to X such that X belong to N and X is greater than 3 and lesser than equal than 6. So first find out the roster form of the set A, that is 4, 5, 6, as the X is greater than 3, that means 4, and X is lesser than equal than 6, that means 5 and 6 also are in there, and X is at A. Now the set B, we have X belong to X, X as that X belong to W, whole number, and X is lesser than 4, whole number started from 0, you all know. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 we cannot take because X is lesser than 4. So here the B in the roster form. This is the part of 1. Now we have to find out the second part, A union B. A union B is what? All the element of A and all the element of B. But we will not take the common element twice. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the A union B. A intersection B is what? The element that are common in both A and B set. When we see that 4, 5, 6 is in A and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, there is no element, that is the null set. Fourth, A minus B, that means the element that are in A but not in B. So here we have 4, 5, 6 that are not in B. So A minus B equal to 4, 5, 6. Fifth, B minus A, that means the element that are in B but not in A. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the elements that are B but not in A. So B minus A is that. So in that manner you will do the sum number 1. Children, I am taking question number 4, that is given A equal to 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, B equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, C equal to 0, 3, 6, 9. And we have to show that A union B union C equal to A union B union C. So first we will find B union C. B union C is what? All the element of B and all the element of C. So that is 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now we will find A union in the bracket B union C. That means all the element of B union C and all the element of A. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Now we will find A union B. That means all the element of A, all the element of B. That are 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we have to find A union B in the bracket and union C. That means all the element of A union B and all the element of C. That are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. From equation 1 and equation 2, we will find that A union B union C equal to A union B in bracket union C. So we can say the union of set is associative. Same manner you will do the question number 4, second part. A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. So in that manner you will do the sum number 4. Children, I am taking question number 6, in which given P equal to factors of 36, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Q equal to factors of 48, that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. Now we have to find P union Q, that are mean all the element of P and all the element of Q are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16, 18, 24, 36, 48. Now P intersection Q, that means all the elements that are in P as well as in Q, that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now we have to find Q minus P, that means all the elements of Q that are not in P. So 8, 16, 24, 48 are the elements of Q that are not in P. Now we have to find P complement intersection Q, that means the elements that are in Q but not in P. So that are 8, 16, 24, 48. So in that manner you will do the sum number 6. Children, I am taking question number 8, in which given A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, C equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have to prove A minus B union C equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. So now what we have, first we will find A minus B union C. So write down A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus B 2, 4, 6, 8 union C 3, 4, 5, 6. So B union C first we will find, that means all the element of B and all the element of C that are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and here the A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A minus B, that means the element that are in A but not in B, that is only 1. Now we will find A minus B intersection A minus C. Write down A 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus B 2 4 6 8 intersection 1 2 3 4 5 6 again A minus C 3 4 5 6. So find out A minus B, that is 1 3 5, and A minus C, that is 1 and 2, and the common in both intersection, you all know the common 1 3 5 and 1 2, the common is that 1 only. So from first and second we get A minus B union C equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. So in that manner you will do the sum number 8. Children, I am taking question number 8, in which given A equal to 1 2 3 4 5, B equal to 2 4 6 8, and C equal to 3 4 5 6, and we have to show that A minus B union C equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. So first we will find A minus B union C, that is A 1 2 3 4 5 minus B 2 4 6 8 union 3 4 5 6. B union C, that means all the elements of the both set. So that means 2 3 4 5 6 8, and here the A 1 2 3 4 5. Now the difference of that is 1, the element that are in A but not in B. Now A minus B intersection A minus C, write down the sets 1 2 3 4 5 A minus B 2 4 6 8 intersection A 1 2 3 4 5 minus C. So now the difference of A and B is 1 3 5, the difference of A and C is 1 2, and the common intersection means common of both is 1. So from first and second we get A minus B union C equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. In that manner you will do the sum number 8 second part, and other part of the exercise you can do. Children, I am taking question number 1 of exercise 6E, in which we have to find out A union B, A intersection A, complement of A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A union B, complement of A union B. And in this we have to find out with the help of diagrams that is given here. Here we have the rectangular box. Just learn how to do this type of questions, that is known as Venn diagrams. So we have the diagrams here, in which we have the union set, that is in which we have element A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and the circle set A, that is known as in a circle A and a circle B, are known as the A set and B set. In A set we have A, D, C, E element, and in B we have C, B, E, F. So we have to find out A union B, that means the all element of A and all element of B. You can see the element of A are A, C, E, D, and element of B, C, E, F. As C, E are the common in both A and B, so we will take ones only. So A union B will be A, B, C, D, E, F. Now complement of A intersection B. Complement of A, that means the element that are not in A but in the universal set. So in the A we have A, C, D, E, and others element are H, G, B, F, that are complement of A. And in the B we have B, C, E, F, but C, E are in A, so we will not take. So what are the common element of complement of A and the set B, that are B, F? So A complement of A intersection B equal to B, F. Now A minus B, that means the element that are in A but not in B. So that is A and D. Now complement, now B minus A, that the element that are in B but not in A, that are BF. Now A union B complement, that means the all the element of A and all the element of B, that are A union B, and the complement of the, that the remaining element that are present in the union of set, that is HG. So complement of A union B, the set of element having HG. So in that manner you will do the sum number 1, and the other sum you can do with the help of this one. Children, I am taking question number 4, in which the set is given. Here is the Venn diagrams, here you can see, and we have to find in this question B minus A complement of B, A intersection B, and A union B. First just see what is given. The universal set is given 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1 also is given. So up to 10 number are given in the universal set, 1 to 10. And in the set A, the element are 1, 5, 6, 7, 9. In the set B, the element are 1, 5. So B minus A, that means the element that are in B but not in A. So as we see, the 1, 5, 7, 6, 9 the element of A. So there is no element in the B that are not in A. So that the B minus A will be the empty set or the phi. We can say this is the phi. Phi also denoted by the null set. Null set and phi the same. A is what? The element of A. 1, 5, 6, 7, 9. Complement of B, that means the element that are not in B, that are 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the element, means leave the element that are in B, that is 1 and 5, and all other up to 10 are the element of complement of B there, complement of B. A intersection B, that means the element that are in A and as well as in B. So only 1 and 5 that are in both B and A. A union B, that means the element of A and B all. So that is 1, 5, 6, 7, 9. So in that manner you will do the sum number 4. Children, I am taking question number 7, in which we have to draw the Venn diagrams and show the relationship between A and B, and the given A intersection B equal to 5. That means no element common in A and B. A and B are the separate. So here we can see the A and B in all the Venn diagrams. A and B are the separate. There is no part is common in both A and B. Now first we have to show the A union B. A union B, that means the element that are in A, element that are in B. So both A and B will combine. So the shaded part is the A union B. All the element of A and all the element of B. Now we have to show the A union B complement. That means the leave the A and B, and the rest of the universal set will be the A union B. So rest part, the shaded part is A union B complement. Now we have to show the B minus A, that means element that are in B not in A. So the shaded part is B minus A. Now we have to show the B intersection A complement. B intersection A complement, that are the set of B. So here the shaded part, that is A, B intersection A complement. So in that manner you will draw the Venn diagrams of the other sum. Children, I am taking question number 9, in which we have to draw the Venn diagrams. First we have to draw the B minus A complement. Here the two, A and B, and we have to draw the B minus A complement. That means we have to find the B minus A first. B minus A is first, the element that are in B but in not A. The blank space is the B minus A, and the complement of this we have to shade it that the complement this means the rest part of the B minus A is the complement of B minus A. So here the shaded part is B minus A complement. Now we have to find out the A intersection B complement. A intersection B is the A blank part is the A intersection B, and the rest part will be the A intersection B complement. So shaded part, that the lining part is the A complement, A intersection B complement. Now we have to find the P union Q complement. P union Q is what? All the element P, all the element Q, that is the blank part, and the shaded part is the complement of P union Q. So in that manner you will draw the Venn diagrams of the other question.